Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So, if your Anker power bank is showing a green light and you're not sure what it means, you're definitely not alone because these indicator lights can sometimes be confusing. Many users see the green light and assume something is wrong, while others don't know whether it means charging, fully charged, or a special mode is active. In reality, the green light often indicates a specific status, like trickle charging mode or low power output, especially when charging smaller devices. However, if the light behaves unexpectedly, it could also signal a connection issue or battery condition that needs attention. So guys, in this video, I'll guide you through the meaning of the green light and how to fix any related issues. Try these. Step 1. Observe whether the green light is solid or blinking. Step 2. Check if the power bank is connected properly to a device. Step 3. Ensure the connected device supports normal charging. Step 4. Turn the power bank off and back on to reset it. Step 5. Clean the charging ports to remove dust or debris. Step 6. Test charging again to confirm normal operation.